The Bomaq M30 is a four-wheel drive all-terrain forklift that can go just about anywhere. Hi, I'm Tim Webster and welcome. Lencrow has been importing, selling and using this remarkable machine for some time now, and customers have been highly impressed with its manoeuvrability with a 2600mm turning circle for a 3000 kilogram model. The range has now been expanded. There's a 5000 kilogram model and a 7000 kilo version to follow. All of the units are powered by Perkins engines with a Linde hydrostatic drive pump and motors, and have been proven to keep going at all temperatures above 40 degrees Celsius. Operators are well catered for with fully enclosed dust-free cabins, air conditioning, a clear view of the load and easy access using low steps. The hydraulics use pressure-operated joysticks that are long-lasting and make fine control very easy. Lencrow offers a full package of after-sales service and parts for all its forklifts, including the Bomaq four-wheel drive range as well. To find out more, simple, go to lencrowforklifts.com.au or call them 1300 536 276. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.